We are John and Samantha and the proud owners of a 1986 American Ford Econoline RV, bought by us as a salvage rebuild project. The RV was bought as severely water damaged and required the interior to be completely stripped out. We plan to spend 2021 rebuilding the RV, and that work will be shown here on the channel. In 2022, we plan to take the RV on trips around the UK, taking in some stunning scenery and hopefully some wild camping, all whilst undertaking the challenges of taking such a large vehicle down narrow country lanes. Morning guys, hope you're doing well. This morning we're going to have a go at, we're going to have a look at the brakes on the front of the RV, and we'll have a clean up underneath the wheel arch, and I think we'll do some painting under there as well. And we have got some brake pads, so we'll give them a change as well. And these haven't been cracked for many a year by the looks of it. Plenty of corrosion under there, but we'll tackle that in a second. The brake pads do need changing, which we've got, so let's get started.
Okay, on the closer inspection, can we see the stabiliser bushes are perished. Those are on order and they should be with us within 2 weeks ish, but obviously they've got to be replaced as well. That's great.
That's it. Okay, so to separate the caliper from the carrier, we need to remove these expanding pins. We need to compress the two sides together and then push it through at the same time. And now the caliper can come off. Excellent.
Right. That's the left.
That's not too bad actually. They're not that corroded in there. In fact, they're not steel as such, or they're treated. That's fine. Mate, drop it over there and we'll clean that up in a second. What do you think of that then, Rob?
It looks good.
Nice and clean, that now, isn't it?
That's all it needs.
And we'll give it a paint.
Yeah.
Just to protect it from any corrosion. Okay, we've got our new brake pads from Rock Auto in America. There we go. Lovely. And the new brake pads come with new anti-squeal shims. Okay, so we've given everything a good paint up. We now have some new brake pads. Still some more painting to do under there. What do you think of that, Rob?
Yeah, it looks good. A hell of a transformation when we first took the wheel off.
It's worth it, isn't it?
Okay.
It's worth spending that little bit of time and effort, isn't it, to get it looking nice.
Yeah.